Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share with you a few easy techniques to release tension and pressure in the body with breath, sound, and self-massage. So come onto a comfortable seat, let your palms rest gently on your lap, and just close into your eyes. Just take this opening moment to notice your body in full. Just take stock of where your body is speaking to you with muscle tension, tightness. Notice your mind. Are there a lot of thoughts up there that are just swirling, demanding your attention? And maybe even notice where your body feels really comfortable today. And just see if you can observe all of this without judgment. We're just noticing how we are in this moment. And now begin to shift your awareness to your breath. So you might choose to feel the flow of your breath or listen to the sound of your breath. But just notice each inhale and each exhale. You might even begin to explore a lengthened breath, maybe counting to yourself in your head to 4 as you inhale, and exhaling for a count of 4. Just take a few more lengthened breaths. And then you have the option here to keep your eyes closed or to gently blink them open. We're going to add on to our practice with horsey breath. So I really encourage you to get out of your head here and just be a little bit goofy, because I think the benefits are going to outweigh any embarrassment or nerves you might be feeling. So horsey breath involves inhaling fully, and on the exhale breath, making a sound like a horse. And it looks and sounds like this. So give it a try. Just take a full inhale, exhale with a lot of noise. Just let your lips relax, move a lot of sound. And maybe on your next horsey breath, you actually take a little movement with your head. Just take one more round of horsey breath. And then pause for a moment and just feel the muscles in your face. Maybe you're giggling or smiling, and that is always good medicine. But just see if anything has shifted in how you feel. And then once you've observed, I want you to bring your fingertips up to your chest. We're going to start tapping our chest. And we might just hear the sound of our fingertips against our skin and our rib cage and all the beautiful muscles around the chest. We might also sense some vibratory energy as we do this. So let's just see how it feels to keep tapping and incorporate a little more sound. So maybe you start humming as you tap. And as you do this, just see where you can feel the vibration. I could feel it all the way up in my head. So from chest to head, just a lot of spaciousness being created. So we'll just do that once more. Just make some sound. It could be a hum. It could be even a Tarzan yell if you need that. So just go for it. And then just release. Let your hands come back down to your lap. Feel what's going on in your body. And again, okay to giggle at yourself. And then when you're ready, we're going to take a hand across the chest to the opposite upper trapezius muscle, so the top of the shoulder, and we're just going to give it a couple of squeezes, like we're wringing out a sponge. And then let that same arm just get really loosey-goosey and relaxed alongside your thigh or the side of your chair. And on your next inhale breath, we're going to shrug the shoulder up toward our ear while we squeeze the muscle. And as we exhale, we're going to release the arm down away from the shoulder and release the squeeze of the muscle. So just do that a couple of times. Inhaling, squeeze. Exhale, release. And then we'll do that on the other side. So just give the shoulder a little squeezy love. Let your arm dangle. And then we'll incorporate some movement in breath. Let it go on the exhale. One more time. Pause and notice. And then we're going to bring our fingertips up to the occipital ridge on the back of the skull. So that little ridge or bumping out in the back of the skull. And with our finger pads, we're just going to make some nice circles all along the ridge of our skull. Just releasing any tension. We can even move through the head and neck a bit. Just inviting that softening, that letting go as we come into presence of our body and out of the busyness of the mind. Okay, so just another few moments here, massaging the back of your skull. And then we're just going to energetically sweep some of the tension out of our bodies, just running hands down the front and sides of the neck, across the chest, down the arms, out through the fingers. And then we'll bring our hands back to rest on our lap, close back into the eyes, and just notice once again. Notice what feels different compared to when you arrived for this practice. Notice how it feels to have taken this time just for you to release. When you feel ready, you can blink open your eyes and move gently back into your day.